Jade.
Huh?
Jade, Pity Jade.
Why?
I know they want to Pity Jade and the place where I could go.
You do this push up in this one. You hold this and you push up.
Oh, is that how you play that?
Yeah, that's how you do it. Like you push up, you hold that one. You okay? Is that hurt? Oh, why you do that? Jelana.
In a hot. Mommy, move that. Move it. Move that, Mom.
Wait, let me show this one. Oh, there's the plane again. Did you see lots of plane today, anak?
Oh, see, I can knife.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's the sound. Like this, if you do it, that it's if you're doing that, it sound here. I hear. Hi, Shalane.
I keep that moving.
Oh, there's the plane again.
Is that here?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
And that's
Oh, be careful.
a purple one.
There's Jade. You wanna go inside now? Oh, oh,
You
oh,
hold it and make it noise. Repeated noise.
oh.
Oh no. Ah! You want your butt? I want your butt too. I want my butt. Nice. What?
She's gonna look for grandma.
Mama, are you ready? Where's Grandma? It's Dad. Hey, bed.
In her bed. Are you sure?
Can you give me my hat?
Where's-
What hat? It's right there.
Right there, anak. See.
The chair.
On the chair.
Okay. I got it.
Ang galing ah.
What are you doing? I'm gonna go see where the girls are. How do you?
No, you cannot ride on that one. Not yet.
I want.
No, when you're 7 years old, you can.
Only when you're a little bit bigger. I want to did.
No, Jade is doing 4-wheeler,
I
anak.
do did.
Ha?
Jade comes back. You have to get your helmet.
Ate Dong can be at the front. Sapet ka, upo siya dyan. Pwede siya humawak.
Hindi ah. Go get your helmet.
Hindi, kung dito ka.
Eh, hindi ko na ma-drive.
Paano? Try mo nga. Umurong ka nga. Try mo.
Masirap.
Mahirap, oo. Tamo to. Saan siya pupunta?
Kinuha niya yung helmet.
Bakit?
Nasakay daw, sakay daw.
You'll wait for Jade? I'll do it today.
What's that?
The sauna.
Are you gonna stand in there or something?
Yeah.
How you gonna?
I can just use the chair of
There's
the...
no, I don't have rocks in there, so don't pour water. Okay. You can't pour water in there. There's no rocks.
rocks from the...
I gotta go get rocks.
From the...
I'll
Down...
get some from the river, yeah. A bucket. I gotta get like softball, golf ball size and place them in there.
What do you want to get rocks?
Softball, but you gotta crack and get together. They break, you don't want them. Bam, bam, bam.
Okay, never mind, yeah.
Yeah.